Thor, Thunderstrike. On a planet far from Earth, the hammer-wielding hero, known as the mighty Thor, was searching for a stolen gem called the Moonstone. Giant rock warriors known as the Cronins had taken it. Onward! Thor shouted to his fellow Avenger, the Incredible Hulk. The Moonstone was guarded by a group of Cronins and surrounded by a supercharged force field. Hulk smash! The Hulk roared. Wait! Thor cried, but it was too late. Hulk punched the force field and got a shocking surprise. Zark! "'Twas a noble effort, friend," said Thor, "but nothing can withstand my mighty hammer." Thor launched himself through the force field and barreled into the Cronins. Another Cronin attacked, but he was no match for the powerful pair. The Hulk lifted the giant and pitched him straight to Thor. The hero swung his hammer. Crack! He sent the giant flying. Thor and Hulk quickly turned the rest of the rock monsters to piles of rubble. Little did the heroes know the cosmic villain Grandmaster was watching. "Those muscle-bound buffoons have beaten me to the Moonstone," Grandmaster grumbled, "but I'll beat them to the punch." Grandmaster searched the galaxy for just the right villain to carry out his scheme. Thor's old foe, Scourge, won't be able to resist the fight. When he strikes, I'll grab the stone. Now, with the press of a button, Scourge will be on his way, Grandmaster said. He opened a portal transporting the axe-wielding villain across the cosmos to confront the heroes. "Thor, this must be my lucky day," Scourge growled. "Ready to fight. I've got an axe to grind with you." "Scourge!" Thor exclaimed. "Thy princess is most unwelcome." "I don't know who sent me here," Scourge snarled, "but I'll deal with them as soon as I'm done with you." "Hulk smash, big man, with puny axe!" Hulk roared. "Careful, Hulk," Thor cautioned. "Scourge is as strong as he is treacherous. He is mine to face." The air crackled with electricity as Thor and Scourge clashed, hammer against axe. The power they unleashed held even the massive Hulk back. As the battle raged, Thor dropped the Moonstone. A portal opened and suddenly, Grandmaster appeared and snatched up the stone. "It is all mine," Grandmaster boasted as he blasted Thor in the back with a beam of energy. "I think someone has played you for a fool," Thor told Scourge. "If that shiny romp belongs to anyone, "Oh man, it's me," Scourge growled as he turned to Grandmaster. "I did all the fighting." "Stay back!" Grandmaster cried, and he turned to run to the open portal. The Hulk slammed his massive foot on the ground. The earth quaked, and both villains were sent tumbling. "Now let me show you the way home," Thor said, retrieving the moonstone from the ground. "You two can settle this on your own." With the moonstone safe, the heroes headed home. "This stone is indeed powerful," Thor told the Hook, "but the power of teamwork has saved the day." The end.